us, the Boulos company, we've been in business for 103 years. This is our first opportunity to build something like this. A battery storage project for what I consider one of the best renewable energies, hydropower. This was a 3-site package. We had projects in Hollis, Maine, we had another project in Rumford, and this was our third project, Berlin, New Hampshire, where we're sitting right now.
Some of the challenge of this project was the space that we had to work in. It's a very small footprint. We had to use a lot of heavy equipment to get this stuff put in place, and it was a challenge.
Aerial man lifts, digger trucks, massive crane trucks to set these batteries. These batteries weigh in at 32,000 pounds per quantum.
A lot of logistics went into it, and our guys in the field did a phenomenal job working with the manufacturer to make things work as smooth as we could.
We collectively on all 3 projects had over 12,000 man hours, 0 incidents, 0 recordables, not 1 injury.
We're very pleased with Boulos. There's been a lot of challenges that we've worked through, but we've overcome them all, and I'm very proud of the quality of the work that was done. Very pleased with how it's all turned out.
We're really excited to now be able to pass our experience with this along to our sister subsidiary who's pursuing similar work. Hopefully what we've learned is going to help them.